All right, we are hours away from closing down the DeFi Accelerator. This is your chance to be part of the greatest transformation of wealth in human history. We've all seen the news. We know crypto is hot. We know decentralized finance is going to revolutionize and bring value of $9 trillion a year. Do you want to be a part of it now or later? That's the question. If you want to learn over the course of the next 4 weeks in my accelerated version of learning decentralized finance, click the link below, submit your application. I will review it personally and get back to you within hours. If you are selected, join this course. Trust me, it's probably the greatest investment you can make in yourself when it comes from an education standpoint. And my course is all about taking action. Story of my life, right? From Ironman races to ayahuasca ceremonies to podcasts, you name it. I'm all about pulling the trigger, and that's what you'll do inside my course. You're going to be investing in these currencies, investing in these trading strategies, and being involved with a peer group from around the world of some high-level people that are making a lot of money in this space and investing in their future. This is going to change the world as we know it. You want to be in on this today as opposed to a year from now or 2 years from now. So again, hours left. Click the link below. Join me for this next accelerator. It's 4 weeks of your life. It's an amazing experience. Again, the community is so vibrant, and you're not going to be the weirdo anymore talking about DeFi and crypto in the room. You're going to have literally hundreds of people around you that are all on the same wavelength, and you'll be with me for 8 hours of live calls. You've got all my video modules on our site. You've got 4 weeks of intensive training and accountability. You will take action to learn these protocols, and trust me, you'll thank me, your kids will thank me, your grandkids will thank me, because this is the decentralized finance revolution and you want to be a part of it. So click the link below. I'll get back to you within hours, and we are shutting this course down today. So get involved now. It will change your life.